Hey there and welcome to the channel. Want to start freelancing but have zero experience? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into 3 beginner friendly platforms you can try today. Fiverr, perfect for absolute beginners. Anyone can create a gig. Try something like, I will create an AI-generated image, or I will write a blog post using ChatGPT. PeoplePerHour, clients post jobs and you apply. Focus on simple tasks like writing, admin support or Canva designs. Workana, especially popular in Latin America. There's less competition here, so you can set affordable prices and land your first few clients more easily. Bonus tip: use ChatGPT to help write your proposals. Just tweak them a little to make them personal. Start small, build fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Best of luck on your freelancing journey.